The homepage of your website has been created using a number of different types of widgets. This makes adding and editing the content of your homepage really easy. Begin on the top right with Edit Details. These are your page details where you want to add your page title, page description, and keywords. These three fields are very important for search engine optimization. Your keywords describe the products and services that your funeral firm provides. Some of the keywords that online visitors would be entering into a Google search engine, for example, to be able to find your funeral firm. The page description is one sentence that incorporates many keywords, and then your page title. Once you've made these changes, click on Save Page Details at the top. The rest of the widgets on your website can be accessed by finding the Edit buttons. Again, when you hover over, click on Edit. This is for your sliders. You can delete any of these images by clicking on the red X. You can edit these images by clicking on the little pencil. When this opens, you can browse to load a new image. If you would like, you can link this image. Just type in the URL here, and then click on whether you would like that new link to open in the current window or a new window. Once you've made changes to your slider, you can click on Save. You can also change the order of the sliders by dragging and dropping. Once you've made any changes to the order, click on Save Order. You can add a slide. It's very similar to the Edit Slide option. Adding your image by browsing to a file on your computer, adding a link, and then determining how that link will open. Once you've made those changes, click on Save on the top. You can also edit the slider options, choosing the transition type, choosing the slide duration. You can also show the slide status by checking this box. Once you've made changes, click on Save on the top right. Once you've made all of the changes you would like for your slider, click on Done. As you scroll down, you will be looking for more of the edit options. This edit covers the navigation or the menu. You can choose whether the navigation hovers or clicks. You can also choose no drop-down. Right now, flowers, gifts, and obituary are all visible on the navigation. To remove one, just simply uncheck those boxes. If you would like to change the link where the obituary page goes, enter the URL here. Once you've made any changes, click on Save Navigation. To change your welcome message, click on the Edit on the top left. You can change the Welcome to Our Funeral Home title. You can also delete this image and then browse to find a new image on your computer. This content can be edited. You can change or add any information you would like. You also have the ability to bold or italicize. You can remove any formatting if you have copied the information from another source like Word. You can add bullet points, and through your welcome message, you can also create a link. Highlight text, click on link, add the URL here. You can also click on Target to choose where the link will open in a new window or the same window. Once you've made those changes, click on OK. If any changes have been made, you click on Save Welcome Message. The Services section, click on Edit. The current service verbiage. Right now it says current services for the past 60 days. You can change that by entering the information here. You see this button down here says obituary notifications. You can change the wording for that button by adding new text here. This image that is located here, if you do not want the image, just uncheck here. Once you've made your changes, click on Save. As we continue to scroll through, you will see more of the widgets. Right now this is on News and Events. You can add news by clicking on Edit, add a new event here, edit or delete an existing event. Once you've made changes, click on Done. Locations and directions, click on the Edit button where it says we provide our families with an open door policy. If you do not like these two sentences here, you can just add your own text and then click on Save. This information is drawn from your system profile, so if it's incorrect, go back to System Settings, System Profile, and make those changes. Testimonials. Click on the Edit button. You can edit, unpublish, and delete any of the existing testimonials. You can add a new one by clicking on this. Once you've made changes, click on Done. Local weather. There is no option to edit this widget, but you can remove it if you choose. This information is generated from your address information in your system profile. You have the ability to remove any of these widgets, the 365 days of healing, as well as the 52 weeks of support. You would just click on the Remove button. Helping you plan and helping you grieve, click on Edit. If you want to change that text, enter the information here, click on Save. Here are your calls to action. Currently there are 4 listed here. Click on Edit. If you decide to remove any of these from your home page, just grab it and drag and drop. This would leave the 3 calls to action. Once you've made those changes, click on Save Calls to Action. You can also create your own custom calls to action. Scrolling down just a little bit more, Edit. These are your social links. Right now you have Blogger, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and YouTube. If you decide to move any of them, drag and drop. If you need to edit any of these settings, click on the pencil and add the actual link. So when somebody clicks on those icons, it will take them directly to your social media. Apply and then save social links. The next is your associations. Click on Edit. There are many associations listed here. You would simply find the ones that you would like and move them up to the top. If you want to remove any, just drag and drop them back down. Once you've made those changes, click on Save Associations. It takes a few minutes to go through your home page and make all the changes that you would like and customize all of the settings. The widgets are very easy to use and they will help you provide a great deal of information for your online visitors.